Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to continue to work on the Lincoln. We're going to see if it runs with the carburetor on it. We're going to take a look at the underside of it. Probably polish some trim and who knows what else. So I hope you enjoy it. Alright, I'm going to try to pour a little gas in here, if I can. Well, that kind of made a big old mess. Alright, I'm going to let that sit a little bit. The lid hit the post, and it just started pouring out all over. So, anyway, we got gas in it. Let's, I guess, let's hook the battery up and see what happens. See if we get any vroom vroom. Well, maybe I didn't get any gas in there at all. Maybe I just dumped it all out. I know most of it ran outside the carb, so that's could be what happened. Alright, it definitely should have fired there, so let's see what happened here. Alright. I don't know. Let's try it again. That sounds like a win. Alright, I got the Lincoln up in the air. I'm going to walk underneath it and take a look at it. It actually looks pretty good. Not a ton of leakage. I don't see any real rust. The floors look really good in it. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, you can't see anything without the light, but they're really good, really solid. The exhaust is in good shape. All the back sides of the rear quarters are really nice. You know, no rust in the wheel wells. The trunk floor is all real nice. The chrome on the bumpers could get a little shined up. So that's all real solid. So nothing too crazy. Looks like a pretty good car overall. All the rockers look really nice on here. No issues at all. It's even got an H-pipe dual exhaust. Here's the rockers on this side. They're super solid. So yeah, this looks like a good car.
Did you open it?
Yeah. Let me open it a little more. I mean, fluid's coming out. Is it going down?
It must be down in the front. The front is probably holding it.
Oh, okay. Go ahead and close it.
It is?
No, do you want me to?
Yeah, go ahead and close it.
Alright, close.
Okay. Oh, there you go. A lot more of that kind. Go ahead and close it.
Close.
Hold in. You feel like a pimp in here? Yeah, really. Down.
Close.
I go to the other side now.
Okay. Is it better than it was?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
What was wrong before?
We had a ton of air in it. They work, but like really weak.
Is it rear drum?
Yeah. Alright, so this wheel, it's hard to turn. It definitely needs to be backed off a little bit. So I'm going to there we go.
It's loosening?
Yeah.
I gotta call him and see if he wants to come over.
Alright, this one's a pinch loose. I'm just going to tighten this one up just a skosh.
Hey, have a good weekend. Be careful on Monday.
That's probably pretty good. They gonna call her good right there. I'm sure they'll probably need an adjustment again.
I hope so. We've been spoiled.
Alright, we'll call that good for now. We'll see how it drives. Alright, I just looked and the brake lights are still on, so that might need a little attention as well. Alright, we're gonna shine some of this chrome up, see if we can't get this thing to look a little better. Alright, I got the back bumper and the tail light bezels all done. You can see what a difference that made. I'm going to walk up to the front and show you what it looked like up close. So if you look at this, this is obviously not done yet. And I did the one corner of the bumper over here, and I'll definitely show you what that looks like. And that part is done. So you can see polishing that chrome makes a huge difference on the car. At it with you guys. Looks pretty good out here. You can see hear the exhaust leak. That's a project for another day. This thing desperately needs a bath. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned next time. We'll keep working on the Lincoln. Yeah, I will.
Don't make it a blooper.
Welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin! Nah, maybe not. I don't think we're going to use that.